गोंयांत डिसेंबरांत जावपी EDM फेस्टिवलाक गोंयांतल्या कलाकारांक आपली कला सादर करपाची परवानगी सयत निकश दिवचो अशी मागणी तृणमूल पक्षाचो फुडारी राजन डिमेलोन केल्या. पणजेच्या आपल्या कार्यालयान बुधवारा घेतिल्ल्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत तो उलयतालो.
Soul of our Goan artists is being murdered by these people, these politicians. मंदिर असतले खूप अकॅडमी असतले, पण जरी तर तुम्ही कलाकारांक तर खेळतात, what is the criteria is not decided as yet. Why, whom you will showcase them? Important thing is TMC demands come out with the criteria how they will be selected. तर तुका जाय का दितले, and what will be the incentive? They have to pay them handsomely. The card and those is the way. And important of all, the Goan artist, Goan kalakar जब show करू नका, it has to be either on the second day or third day, and fourth day should be the EDM. Now fourth day तो दोषी कोण होता? Correct? So this is the show. ये खेळतात गोंयकार कोण? कोणाक पडोंक ना गोंयचे कलाकाराचे? काबार करून उठला ते. We are demanding not to play the fool with the Goan cultural artists. Don't play on their emotions because they are already suffering for the last 2-3 years during pandemic. No events are taking place, and though they are talented, they could not use their talents and earn their daily bread. या भावनाचेर फुटींग मंत्री सांगता फोर्थ डे विल बी शोकेस, बी काडपाचें शोकेसून दवरपाचें हे ते, आनी तिका मेळटलें कितें? वॉट इज द क्रायटेरिया? And not on the fourth day. Our demand is if they are having the, don't make mockery of the Goan culture artists. Put them on the second day, or put them on the third day, and have the fourth day, which is their third day. So that, because they also require enthusiasm, no? People should be there, no? Even if you pay them, people should be there, no? And though everyone knows that these EDM festivals don't bring anything good but bring everything what is sinful to Goa. Yet the government is bent on doing this because they know why, and the people of Goa know why.